Hi everybody, I have a message to share with you. The Lord said, I will nourish you. I will tame you. Do not hold onto the things that makes you depart from me. Hold onto the things that makes you closer to me. God said, keep moving forward and array in holiness. Do not look back again and again. I want you to look forward. And I want you to struck down all of your enemies by my mighty name and by my mighty power. I want you to stand firm. Do not put your sword into your chest. Draw out your sword and fight. Thanks for watching my video and God bless you all. Bye.